Hello guys, good day sa ating lahat, and we would like to invite everyone to join our team which is here in Jump Mining Investment. So today, it is a very passive investment and let's join our team. Yun po yung video guys na pinapakita natin sa inyo yung mga team natin na malaki na yung kita dito sa Jump Mining. And today papakita po natin sa inyo yung other team natin. So we have here, mayroon ditong 435 team na, and of course mayroon din ditong 338 teams na. So napakalaki dito ng income guys. And the last is, okay, meron na ditong 680. So napakaganda dito yung passive earning guys, kasi maaari ka ditong maka-income without recharge. So through invite lang po.